Hi everyone, today we are going to learn the introduction to trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Yes, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Also, what is related to this trigonometry? The trigonometry that is related to the triangles and the right angle triangles, which we have already learned. You know what is triangles and what is right angle triangles, isn't it? So this trigonometry is related to that triangles. And what is this trigonometry? It is a branch of mathematics. So what we have come to know about trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics, as well as it is related to the triangles and the right angle triangles. So why we need this in mathematics? That's the next question, isn't it? So why? Because trigonometry, when we speak about the trigonometry, so where we can see this trigonometry? That's the question comes, isn't it? Why we need to study and where this comes. So let me take some examples to make you understand about the topic trigonometry. You all know the Burj Khalifa, isn't it? That's the tallest building that you can see in the world in Dubai. Got it? So here, how to find the height of that Burj Khalifa? Is it possible to take a tape and to measure that? No. So for that, what we have to know? So here there are some mathematical techniques that will help you to find the height of the Burj Khalifa or height of any object. So we can find the height using this concept called trigonometry. So this is a mathematical techniques how to find the height of object or anything. If I am standing here and the Burj Khalifa is here, and how to find the height of this Burj Khalifa? So here how it is related that we have to imagine the concept of right angle triangle here. So what is trigonometry? We know it is related to the right angle triangle. So here I am standing, this is the Burj Khalifa. How to find out the height of this Burj Khalifa? Here we have to use the concept of the right angle triangle. So when I am standing here and at the base of the Burj Khalifa, so this is called the base. How we can draw? This is the base. This is the base, and here this is what we call the hypotenuse. Got it? So here you can find a triangle of right angle triangle that is 90 degree. So this we can imagine and we can find out the height of this Burj Khalifa. Got it? So this trigonometry will help you to find out this. So not only the height, we can find the width of the anything. So if you are in the bridge and you can see the river is passing under the bridge, isn't it? So how to find the width of the river? So is it possible to take the tape and to go to the one side of the river and to the another side to hold with the tape? Can you find out? It's not possible. It's not easy. So how we can find? It is possible, but we have techniques in mathematics to find out the width of that river. So using the trigonometry concept, that will make you easier way. So why we need this trigonometry in mathematics? I hope you understood very well. Hope. Okay. So now we can move on to what is the trigonometry, where this word trigonometry comes from. See here, we can see here that trigonometry words as having three words, trigonometron. See here, these three are the Greek words, and here from these three words this trigonometry has arrived. And what is tri? Tri means three. Got it? And what is gon? Gon means sides. And what is metron means measures. So here three sides we are measuring. 1, 2, 3 sides we can find in a triangle. Am I right? So here we are measuring the three sides of the triangle. When we are thinking about the measuring the sides of the right angle triangle, we come across with the theorem called Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? So what we are doing there? What is Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the, if you take this is A and this is B and this is C, then what is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to what? The square of the other what? the sum of the square of the other two sides. What are the sum of the square of the other two sides is? See here, when we are taking the sum of these two sides and making the square of these sides, and we are making the sum of it, isn't it? So what is Pythagoras theorem? We already learned it. So here also we can, using this concept, we can find the value of the sides, isn't it? We can find the length of the sides, we can find it. But when it comes to an angle, so how to find out this? Is it possible using the Pythagoras theorem? No. For that we have to use the concept called trigonometric ratios. So here, before that, I'll tell you what is the definition of the trigonometry. How we can write. See here, you can see, I've told you, there are, you can see in the angles as well as there is a side. 3 angles you can find as well as 3 sides you can find. So now you can guess what is the definition. So definition is nothing but a trigonometry is a study of relations between what? Angles and the sides. Got it? So in a triangle. So I can write the definition of trigonometry. Here I have written the definition of a trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle. So we are going to find the relationship between the sides, 3 sides and the 3 angles. So this is what we are studying in the trigonometry. For this, I've told you just now, we need to study the trigonometric ratios. So let us see to the next class using an example. So I hope you understood today's class. So hope you're doing fine. Have a nice day.